If a vehicle's fuse blows, it is important to locate and fix the underlying issue before replacing the fuse. Repeatedly replacing blown fuses without addressing the root cause can cause further damage to the vehicle's electrical system. Some possible causes of a blown fuse include faulty component. A faulty electrical component, such as a motor or switch, can cause a large current draw and blow the fuse. Corrosion. Corroded contacts, exposed wires and moisture inside the fuse box can lead to a blown fuse. Short circuit. A short circuit occurs when an electrical component touches a ground or another electrical component, and the current travels along an unintended path, with no or very low electrical resistance, causing a large current to flow through the circuit and the fuse to blow. Overloading. When a fuse is loaded beyond its rated capacity, it can blow out due to too much current passing through it. Or a fuse that was replaced with a lower rating. Here's what happened to this vehicle. The washer fluid and the windshield wipers aren't working. The fuse has blown. Replace the fuse. Also didn't work. Checking the fuse again. Also the second fuse blows. Removed the washer pump. .1 ohms is a short circuit. This washer pump is faulty. Another used washer pump. Multimeter on 200 ohms. .7 ohms, it's good. Also replace the fuse.